Welcome to Adam Home Cooking. Today we are preparing waakye. We prepared waakye before, but this time we are preparing waakye with bicarbonate of soda instead of using the leaves that we use to color the waakye. You can also use bicarbonate of soda, and it's very nice. So these are the ingredients for preparing waakye with bicarbonate of soda. I have my rice here, my black eyed beans, salt, and then the bicarbonate of soda. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my beans and put on the fire. So this is the black eyed beans. This is my cold water, my cooking pot. So I'm just going to put my beans, my washed beans, in the cold water. I'm using the same quantity of beans as the rice because I want more beans in my rice. So this is the beans. I start cooking in cold water. I'm going to cover it, and as soon as it's about to boil, I'll show you. That's why I'm going to add the bicarbonate of soda, and it's very quick and fast. It's very fast. So this is the time where you add your bicarbonate of soda, just as the beans is about to boil. You see? So I'm just going to add only 1 teaspoon or level teaspoonful of the bicarbonate of soda. You see, as it foams up. Depending on how the quantity of the waakye, I'm not doing a lot, so I just use 1 level teaspoonful of the bicarbonate of soda on the beans, just as it's about to start boiling. So I'm going to cook these beans now for another 10 minutes before adding the rice. So after adding the bicarbonate of soda, you cook it for extra 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the quantity of the beans. And now you add your salt. I'm just adding enough salt to taste before I add my rice, my washed rice. So I'm adding my rice now. And I think cooking waakye with bicarbonate of soda tastes exactly the same. I'm just tasting for salt now to see if the salt is okay. The salt is okay. At this stage, I'm going to add a bit more water. I'll add hot water because the food is already boiling. So I'll just add a bit more hot water to cover it for the rice to cook. And now you reduce the fire and cook on a low heat till the rice is tender. After adding the rice and the salt, now I can cover it and I'll simmer gently for 10 minutes before I open it again to check. Okay. Now after 10 minutes, you see the color is all changed to that of the waakye. So I think cooking waakye with bicarbonate of soda is easier and quicker than that of the leaves. Just try it and see the difference. And the taste is great too. So this one, it look a bit dry to me. So what I'm going to do is, this is hot warm water. Because I already put salt in here, I'm going to add a little bit of salt to the warm water before I add a bit to the rice, so that it will maintain that salt, the taste of the salt for me. Because if you are cooking and you keep adding just water, it take the taste of the salt away and make your food tasteless. So I'm just going to mix this and then sprinkle a little bit of it on top of my waakye. and then I'll cover it and continue to steam it for another 10 minutes. Now you see our waakye looking so nice. It's ready now. So this is our waakye prepared with the bicarbonate of soda.